Ukraine is continuing with its attacks on Russia. Russian Tver Oblast was now under attack by Ukrainian drones, according to Russian channels. Russian Telegram channels write the following about the attack on Konakovo Power Station in Russia's Tver region. Konakovo Power Station, one of the largest power plants in the USSR and the Russian Federation, located deep in the Russian rear, which burned today as a result of a Ukrainian airstrike, is not only a strong spectacle, I did not think I would live to see such a thing, but also a demonstration of new, increased capabilities of the armed forces of Ukraine and a new level of problems for the Russian Federation. The drones hit the gas distribution unit of the station, and it powerfully exploded and burst into flames. Imagine how many large gas distribution nodes in the leading electric power stations, which for the last 4 decades have been actively converted to natural assets of Russia. And the largest nodes of the gas transportation system and underground gas storages are in the European part of Russia, which is now almost all reachable by Ukrainian drones. All in all, 100 drones flying to the targets would be enough to knock it all out for months. Large group of Russian militants is discovered and destroyed by the Ukrainian National Guard's Spartan Brigade. US-supplied Bradley armor vehicle is working from the middle along the forest belt where the Russians was accumulating for the assault. A satellite image has emerged showing the aftermath of a fire at the Proletarsk oil depot in the Rostov region that burned for 16 days. Radio Svoboda compared satellite images from before the strike on August 16th and after the fire was extinguished on September 2nd. The 45th Artillery Brigade destroyed a Russian BM-21 Grad MLRS. I've seen a machine gun for the first time in my life. I'm just a bus driver. I didn't kill anyone. Putin's mercenaries were captured by Ukrainian warriors. They came to kill Ukrainians under contract to pay off loans and feed their families, but they modestly keep quiet about it. According to Russian prisoners, the entire army of the occupiers are all peaceful bus drivers who have never once held a weapon in their lives.
Короче, водитель.
Да.
Понял.
Так что, блядь.
Хватало, что ты пошел воевать.
Я тоже пошел водителем работать.
Водителем?
Да.
Что же из-за денег? Как бы?
Ну, у меня получилось, я попал в долги, мне предложили пойти работать водителем автобуса. А в итоге, блядь, пиздец.
Дали автомат, и ты пошел убивать.
Нет, я убивать не собирался вообще никого. Я не боец. Я не боец.
Только правду, убивал кого-то?
Нет, ни разу в жизни вообще никого. Я даже автомат, который дали, ни разу не стрелял. Гранаты, которые мне дали, даже не умею их собирать.
Че, пошел,
Домой пошел, большой срок.
чтобы не сидеть?
Да.
Убивать.
Но я не хотел убивать.
Ну, убивал же? Точно. Врешь.
19 дней здесь.
19 дней. И за 19 дней ты никого не стрельнул.
В доме сидели под обстрелом постоянно.
Молодцы вы, ребята, молодцы.
An Ukrainian ATAC EMS Block 1 missile with a cluster warhead filled with M74 anti-personnel submunitions flew to the Russian position.
Такая хуйня просто ёбнулась. Рассыпалась нахуй, не въебала. Пиздец. Чё за хуйня? Вообще хуй его знает.
In the area of the hardest battle right now, in the Pokrovsk direction, Ukrainian forces using FPV drones from the Muramasa unit have conducted attacks on Russian equipment, destroying at least 11 targets, as well as hitting Russian personnel.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.